Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again for another video. So the weekend was exhausting, but it was awesome. I had my show, I participated with Arts in the Park, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much to everyone that showed up. Thank you for everyone that bought a piece of my art. I appreciate that so much. You don't know, that means the world to me. And I appreciate you taking the time to come out and talk to me and ask me questions and just be there. It was awesome. It's a great humbling experience, and I am super, super thankful and happy with all of you. So thank you so much. Today I'm going to show you the dry results from my previous video with the black base, and oh boy, do I have to tell you, it turned out beautiful. So here is that painting, and take a look at this. Amazing. I love the streak of that green down the center and the yellow. Absolutely beautiful. It dried exactly how I blew it out, so I'm super happy with that. I'm gonna top coat it with resin. I was thinking of embellishing this one with something quite unique. I'll think about it some more, and I'll see if I feel brave enough and I do it and pull it off. I will show you this painting in a near future video. So let me ponder some more. So now we're gonna go ahead. We are gonna go ahead and begin. And again, today we are working on a black base color. And my top colors, I'm using some metallics. So let's take a look. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead, flood the canvas. I am working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas. It is my deep edge canvas, so gallery wrap. And I'm flooding with Flow Acrylic Black by Loft. Let's begin. Okay, so we're back, and now we're gonna just do our little line here. So first color I'm using Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam. Next color is Pearl Deep Brown by Arteza. Next, I have 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And last color is Pearl Marmalade by Arteza. I'm gonna go through these colors 2 times, only because there are only 4 colors. So I want to make sure I have enough on my base here. So again with the white, once again with the Pearl Deep Brown, a little bit of 24 karat gold, even though it has a lot, so I'm not really gonna even put in, just a couple of dots. And again, the Pearl Marmalade by Arteza. Okay, so those are my colors. I'm gonna go ahead, torch out those air bubbles because we don't want pinholes. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start right here at the center. So just like that, I'm gonna bring this with my finger down. Beautiful, and I'm gonna bring this in. Love what's happening over here. I'm gonna try to break this, so I'm gonna blow right in here some black in, if I can reach it. Okay, so I'm just kind of like bringing these colors in here together, just like that. Beautiful. And you see how I broke that center in there? I'm going to do the same with the sides here. Just like that. Okay, so I'm happy with that. It is gorgeous, guys. I'm going to leave this. I'm going to torch it out a little bit. Okay. I am going to go ahead, clean it up, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Well, hello everyone. Here she is. And I absolutely love how this one, the orientation and the blowout on this one, more than the green one, I have to say. I love how it kind of fans out more. I love the color palette. So maybe it is that I'm partial to this color palette. But I'm going to take you in and I'm going to show you. Look at those cells. Look at the huge, ginormous cells within this blowout here in this petal. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how it breaks up here in the edges. Love how that 24 karat gold just blankets that petal. Now here we get a nice streak of colors, solid colors. And again, at the edge of the petals, check out those cells, the webbing, the lacing. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Tell me, what do you guys think about this color palette? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. And thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.